Hey there, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing well. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so when your sister upload a new video, you're gonna get notification. For my returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate. So as Ramzan starting, I decided to share everyone's favorite snacks special on after. Everyone eats samosas. We love samosas in our home, and I know many of you guys also love samosas. But in this video I won't be showing you guys how to make samosa pastry. I already bought, which was already made, just to save time, not because I don't know how to make samosa pastry. I'm going to make another video and show you guys how to make samosa pastry. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to prepare the filling first. For that we need one medium onion, which I'm already like chopping, and you have to chop in small pieces like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and prepare and cut my fresh coriander, because we'll need fresh coriander also in our filling. Okay, okay, now that I'm done with the cutting, I'm gonna go ahead and start with preparing the filling. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot and throw the onion. We're going to fry the onion for 4 to 5 minutes. You have to be careful, do not burn your onion, so keep stirring until it's soft, not brown. Okay, our onion is done. This is how it should be. So now I'm going to just remove the onion from the pot and put in the plate and set aside to cool down. In the same pot, I'm adding 300 grams of chicken mince, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and some turmeric powder, about quarter teaspoon. Now I'm adding some water, about quarter cup of water. So now I'm going to keep stirring until this water is completely dry. Okay, so chicken mince doesn't take long. I won't be putting lid or anything. I'm gonna just cook like this until this water is completely dry. Took me about 10 minutes. So yeah, so now I'm going to just transfer this mince in a large mixing bowl. It's not that large, but a little bit bigger, because it's where we're going to mix everything, all the ingredients. So now I'm going to just leave it to cool down for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm adding the onions. I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh coriander. You can add less, you can add more. Fresh coriander is a good thing anyway, so you can add less, you can add more. It really doesn't matter. So now I'm adding this spice. This is a keema spice, which is a mince. Keema is a mince. I bought this spice from Indian supermarket. You don't need to be exactly this one. You can add any meat spice you have in your kitchen. Okay, so now I'm gonna just give a good mix and add some salt, because I didn't add salt when I boiled my chicken mince. So yeah, I'm adding a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to give a good mix, and then yeah, our mince is done. Okay, the paste I'm preparing now, we're going to use when we fold our samosas. Okay, so it's 2 tablespoons of dry flour, plain flour, and some water, and make a smooth paste. And yeah, I'm gonna set that aside and bring the samosa pastry. So yeah, this is my samosa pastry. and we buy this frozen. You just put in microwave for 20 seconds, not 20 seconds, it is 1 minute, sorry, 1 minute, and it's gonna become soft like this. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the folding our samosas. So you just have to watch what I'm doing, guys. I'm not going to be explaining what I'm doing, just watch how I'm folding my samosa. Okay, so the samosa pastry is long like this. You have to fold it halfway, not a halfway, like a, yeah. That's why I'm saying I'm not going to be like explaining what I'm doing because it's so difficult to explain. But you guys can watch, okay? So I'm going to show you guys two ways of folding samosas. This is the first one, and then I'm going to show you guys the second one also, but I'm using this way. I find it more easier than the second one, which I'm gonna be showing you guys. So just stay tuned and watch the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thank you. After folding your samosa pastry, you have to add just a small amount of the filling you are using. Do not add too much, because if it's too much, it's possible to your samosa pastry to break, and also it's going to be difficult for you to close, especially if you are beginner, if you're still learning to fold the samosa. So just add a little bit of the filling, okay? And there you are, your samosa is done folding. So yeah, this is how you should fold your samosa. This is the first method. I'm going to be showing you guys the second one, which is so difficult for me to do. I see many people, they fold their samosas like the way I'm going to be showing you guys now. See that? So it's difficult for me. I really can't make samosa. I take long to fold if I use this method. I took about 5 minutes trying to fold this samosa. It's so difficult for me to fold it like this. Oh my goodness. Finally, because on the side you have to make sure it's nicely closed, because if it's not, when you fry your samosa, it's gonna the filling you are using is going to come out or turn black, so we don't want that. I finally did it, but it's not perfectly like a first one. You see down there, there's hole on the second one. This one is just perfect. Yeah, but anyways. Okay, now I'm done folding my all samosas. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fry some. So like this, you can freeze it, but you have to put it one. You don't put, one on top of other. You have to find a nice nyana where you can easily put them one. Okay. So yeah, you just have to fry in hot oil, not too much hot, but in hot oil until it's light golden, and you are done. You can enjoy your samosas. So yeah, this color is just perfect. These samosas was so crunchy, so juicy. I don't know how to say it, but it was so delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did like, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to come back for daily vlog, daily upload. This Ramadan I'm gonna be uploading daily, you guys, so make sure you come back, make sure the bell is on, and I'm gonna be uploading in the morning, inshallah. You have to stick with me, share my videos, and yeah, thank you all for watching again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Allah Hafiz.